Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of Careerkunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, I'm back with the updates on the TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. And in this video, I will answer all the queries that we have received in the comment section of the video that we uploaded on 23rd July. If you have any more queries, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll make another video to answer them. Alright, so let's move on to the queries. Sir, shall I say to the HR manager that I'm pursuing distance MCA will cause any problem in the companies except online MCA with experience or not? So basically, if you are doing MCA, that is your call. TCS should not have any problem with that. Now, whether companies expect that or not, it depends from company to company. Some companies expect online MBA, some companies doesn't expect, so accept. So you cannot say with certainty, but yeah, all the major big companies don't accept, but some companies do accept that. So it depends on their policies. And you doing MCA TCS should not have any problem, because that is your skill upgradation you are doing. As long as it is not affecting their work, they should never have a problem about it. So I completed my TCS technical manager on 14 July in Hyderabad. When can I expect the results? So basically, I think the interviews are still going on, and unless and until all the interviews are done at all the locations, the result will not come. So I think you have to wait, and I think it shall come in August. So that is the best case we can make as of now. Next, I got selected for TCS Smart Hiring and received my offer letter on 13th June. While applying in Feb, I gave my old home address as all my documents at the time, but we had actually shifted a year ago, and now I have updated my address passport with new address. Can I mention my current address in BGC form? Will this cause any issue in verification since my earlier application is the old address? No, it is fine, because address is something which get changed depending upon the situation, and whatever is the current address, you can mention that. There is no problem at all. And just for information, background check never get negative because of address. Address is thing to verify, and then it is completely fine. So some YouTubers are saying this thesis freeze the hiring for 25. This is near or fake? No. So basically, hiring in TCS is a routine process. If at all it has been freeze, it will be for experience hiring, not for freshers, because experience hires comes with a cost, and that is something which is always depend on the need of a particular project. Okay, so at times company freezes the experience hiring, but the freshers hiring is a routine process in TCS, and it hardly get freeze. So experience hiring can get freeze, that is possible for cost cutting purpose, but not the freshers hiring. So is it real that TCS onboarding is delayed? The news is circulating. Yeah, so basically TCS had delayed the onboarding again for experienced hires, not for freshers. For freshers, this hiring is still going on. I can see some students have commented that their joining has come. So experience hire altogether is a different process. So they are costly, individuals. They come with a hike in the salary or on a negotiated salary, and they are for a particular project, not for general in TCS. So because since they are, they will directly have an impact on the cost. TCS, I have also heard in the news, and it is true, that has delayed their onboarding. But with freshers, I don't think so. That is the case. It can be little slowed down, but it cannot be delayed because students are already receiving their joining. Next, so I received my offer letter from TCS under TCS Smart Hiring Program and want to complete my background check. And how about is the photo has been the maintenance of several samples, something like that. So the BBC is not started. Still, I don't know when should I wait for photo distribution. No, you have to wait till the portal get resumed again, because there is a maintenance going on, and you should not be anxious. It will take some days and it will work again, and then you can do the rest of the process. You need not to be anxious because of this, and whenever your joining will come, you will get a mail, and you still have a time to complete your background check process, so it should be fine. So I received the offer letter on May 19 for Ignite, and then they sent me the survey link about readiness of college marksheets and result, but still didn't find letter. Yes, joining can take some time, so wait patiently. They already have your data, and whenever the joining comes, you will get the mail. But when it will come, it cannot be said with surety. So we have to wait and watch only. Certainly, TCS Smart interview on July 8th in Chennai. I didn't receive any mail. Basically, nobody has got the mail in my information for the ongoing TCS Ignite and Smart interview. I think it will still take some time for all the interviews to be done and result to be announced. Next, is it very scary? Will TCS onboard me or not? Many news or anything? Don't get anxious. That is mostly for experience hire, not for freshers. Next, after TA round, they said some candidate to wait outside for HR round, but HR called few of them and some candidates were not called. So there are chances that those who are not called were not selected. So that can be one of the thing, because only those people who clear the technical round get forwarded to the HR round, and if HR have not called few students, there are chances that they might not be selected. Hello sir, I attended TCS interview in July only. When will I receive selection mail? An offer at also do some selection and also interview. I said, as I said in previous comments, it will take some time. You have to wait and watch. This monitoring reference by Bangalore. Yes, TCS portal is not working, and then again your interview result will take time. Anyway, your result will anyway you will get the update on email, so you don't have to worry. Yes, the TCS portal is under maintenance, and that's completely normal thing. I did TCS Ignite interview on July 11th in Chennai. Earlier section mail again for all the people asking about result. You have to wait and watch, and I don't think so it is coming before August. So I gave Ignite interview on 11th July. When can I expect my result? You are studying for my application process. So nobody can tell you when the result will come. So what we can tell you is when all the interviews are done at all locations, the results are announced, and it can take some time. So I don't think so it is coming before August. So that is my prediction. Next, I got my offer to join 20th. I submit all my documents and a certificate. Should I submit? Yes, please submit. You have to submit. Next, I had given my interview for TCS Ignite, but before the online exam, I was not doing any job, and now I'm working during probation period. Well, this no, not at all. If you take an exit properly by serving the notice period in your current company before joining TCS, there will not be any problem. And of course, if you do something after your interview, how can you mention that? So that is also completely fine. So basically, wherever you are working, work there. When you get your joining, resign there, serve the notice period, get the experience letter, and then join TCS. It will not have any problem. I've also made a separate video about can you join a company before joining TCS. You can check that. My friend got joining letter. I'm still waiting. When will I receive the joining letter? I'm from a Smart Hiring batch. So this is a comment which shows to all the candidates who are worried about joining that joining is coming, and it is the news about delay of onboarding is only for experienced candidate, not for freshers. And when will you receive the joining is something we have to wait and watch. We cannot say joining happen in batches. So you shall also get a joining soon. I gave HR round for smart role, answer 3 out of 2 question and 1 is mistake. Good chances, 3 out of 2 is 66%, so good chances. I gave my TCS Ignite to non-July, still not an email. Yes, it will take some time. Okay, I think I have covered all the comments. Thank you so much. If you have any more queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much.